Okay, we're going to work now on the backrest front view. Some very interesting elements here. It is not as rounded over as the back, but it's a continuous round over. And notice that this area rounds back a little bit very quickly. Now the idea there is this area is going to support your lower back. So this is very important. And so you don't want a hard edge here. You want it to very quickly round over to a line. And you'll establish a line which is almost a knife edge right here. And that's why it needs to round over very quickly down here. You don't want that knife edge to hit you in the back. Your eyes and sense of touch are your best tools here. Out of this little radius, out of this tight radius right here, there is a return along a line that flows right up under the backrest. It comes along the inside edge of the arm and flows out the back. Now that same line flows along to the front. Work the chair laying it down to get to the inside of the arm. The back of the chair needs to have that nice smile. It's a complement, or it's a product of that Coopered seat. So it would be kind of segmented or kind of bumpy if you didn't sand it so that you get that nice curve. Do that on the top and the bottom. And it's all right to kind of dig into these corners and have it come up just a little bit and then round over. it's best to do a lot of rounding over. Take a look at the front of the seat. One thing you want to be sure to do is to get a nice flow, nice radius that makes what becomes very much a knife edge right across here. Now you have to round over vigorously down to that edge because you don't want it to cut the underside of the sitter's thigh. But you have removed material here so that hopefully the sitter will be able to comfortably sit there without any pressure on that sciatic nerve, which is something that is very fatiguing and just not comfortable. We have studied and sculpted all 3 views of the chair. Now finish the other half of the chair. Then reconcile one side to the other so they look alike, and finish and refine everything with a scraper. Your chair should be smiling at you now.